In this video we'll discuss what mortgage you can obtain if you have an income of 30,000. There will be a few key points that we'll discuss. First being your breakdown of income, secondly your committed expenditure, and third your current circumstances. When your mortgage application is being assessed, the lenders will look at the breakdown of your income. You may have 30,000 as a basic income and the lenders would assess that using 100% of that income. If your income is broken down into different sectors, so overtime, bonuses, shift allowance, each lender has a different assessment on how they would use that income and at what percentage. So we'll carry out the checks and affordability calculators to make sure that you are obtaining the best or the most income from that assessment, and we'll consider this through pay slips, P60s, employers' references. So you may have the income to provide you with the figures that you need for mortgage lending. Other areas that the lenders will consider is your committed expenditure. So do you have any credit commitments which you have to pay on a monthly basis which would impact your expenditure? So this falls under credit cards with outstanding balances, personal loans, secured loans, hire purchases, buy now, pay laters, maintenance. There's different elements of credit commitments which impact. We would assess this and look at the lending, how long the credit commitment will remain and what impact this credit commitment has on the affordability, and is it an option to repay this to increase your borrowing. Circumstances that may impact the lending when it comes to mortgage affordability is family circumstances. Do you have any financial dependents? With regards to your employment status, is it permanent? Is it temporary? Are you contracted? And these do factor into how the lenders assess what you can borrow when it comes to mortgage lending. We have a wide panel of providers that we can use when looking at options, so there will be lenders whose circumstances and criteria meet your needs and requirements. So to recap, borrowing that you can obtain on 30,000 income is dependent on the breakdown of your income, the credit commitments and your circumstances.